Welcome to this video of our playlist on Lean Six Sigma guys. In this video, we will talk about the center of the dataset, which is also called as measures of central tendency. It provides insight into where the data is centered and helps summarize the distribution of values. We use mean, median, and mode for this purpose. In this video, we will discuss the purpose of each, why and when they are used. I have explained how to calculate mean, median, and mode in the next video of this playlist in Microsoft Excel. To learn these in details with example, I would prefer you to watch the next video of this playlist as well. Now let's discuss these terms one by one. First is mean. This is the most accurate method to find the center of the data. Mean is actually average of the dataset, and that is sum of all values divided by count of all values. Now the question is when we use mean. Well, the mean is used when the data is normal. To check if the data is normal or not, we perform normality test. The mean is widely used in various fields for summarizing numerical data, such as calculating average test scores, average monthly sales, or average temperatures. To learn more about data types, I have already uploaded a video. You can find the video on this playlist on my YouTube channel. I will provide the link of the playlist in the description. So far, we have learned that if the data is normal, then we will go with the mean. But what if the data is non-normal? Well, we have median for it. Median is performed when the data is non-normal. We perform the normality test to find the data is normal or non-normal. Basically, there are outlier values that make the data non-normal. The median is the middle value of the dataset when it is arranged in ascending or descending order. We use median to find the positional center of the data, not exactly the average of the data, but only the positional center of the data. That's why we use the ascending order or descending order in median, which is not influenced by extreme values, or we call it them as outlier values. So whenever there are outliers in the values, the data will be non-normal and we will use the median there. Else we will use mean if the data is normal. Median is most commonly used in income distribution, house price, or exam scores. So far we have learned about mean and median. Now let's talk about mode. The mode is the value that appears most frequently in a dataset. Its purpose is to identify the most common value or strategy in the data. Mode is commonly used with categorical or nominal data, such as colors, brands, or survey responses. Again, if you want to learn more about data types, then I will suggest you to watch the video on data types. I will provide the link of that video in description. So we can say that choice of measure of central tendency depends on the distribution of the data. Mean is suitable for normally distributed data, while median is more robust for outliers and skewed distributions. While summarizing this video, measures of central tendency provide us summaries of large datasets. They help identify where the data is centered. We can make comparisons between different groups or datasets, and that help us in making data-driven decisions. So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to watch more videos on Lean Six Sigma and Microsoft Excel. You can find the link of the whole playlist in the description. See you in the next video.